In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the shopping cart from your Godaddy website builder. Whether you're simplifying your site or just want to make a few adjustments, this process is quick and easy when you know where to look. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Godaddy homepage. At the top right, click on Sign In and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Godaddy home. From here, look for the Websites plus Marketing section. This is where all of your sites and tools are organized. Find your website package and click on Manage. Next, click Edit Website to open the builder. Inside the editor, navigate to the Shop section. This is where all of your e-commerce features live. Now click Settings, and here's the key step. Choose Delete to remove the shopping cart. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the cart is gone. And that's it. You've successfully removed the shopping cart from your Godaddy website builder. Keep in mind, this will disable e-commerce features, so make sure it's the right move for your site. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick website tips.